Hello, I'm Alec with Naaman's Catering. We're in our Naaman's Catering kitchen today. We're going to cook for you. How about that? Anyhow, this is a recipe I call Bruschetta Chicken. Thank you again for letting me come into your home. I like that. And we're going to start out real quick by dredging it in a little egg wash. Alright. Then I'm going to dredge it in some flour. Alright, get it all floured up a little bit. Alright. We're going to do this in the oven today. We're going to make a bruschetta to go with it. So we're going to do it just like this. This is what we do. All right, we dredge it in the egg, lightly beaten, just lightly beating your egg, okay? And then the flour seasoned with a little salt and pepper and garlic. All right, because we're going to actually make us a nice breadcrumb topping to go on top of this. That's going to be the secret to it. All right. Okay, now we're going to make a breadcrumb topping to go in. I'm gonna smother it with a little grated Parmesan cheese. We're going to put a little butter in it. All right, I say a little butter, a lot of butter. We're going to season it with some garlic, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Yep, that's the pepper. All right, and a little bit of basil. Okay. I'm going to mix it all up really good. Let's see until it makes a paste. Yeah, we crumble it up, it should make a paste. We'll probably have to add a little bit more. There we go. All right. You just work it till, let it sit for just a minute. Those breadcrumbs get moist. They'll soak up that butter. They'll get kind of pasty. If they're not getting pasty for you, add a little more butter, a little more butter, a little more butter until you just butter it out. And then you take them and you work it right on top of your chicken. All right. And you'll go in the oven with this for about 15 minutes. Make our bruschetta, and while the chicken's cooking, because when the chicken's just about ready, we're going to top the chicken with the bruschetta. So we've got chopped tomatoes. I've got some green onions here. I've got some cilantro. We add some cilantro. We're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. We're going to add a little bit of salt. Got to salt those tomatoes. And a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of garlic. And we're going to squeeze some lime in there. How about that? Squeeze some fresh lime. We're going to put lots of lime. Kind of like lime in the coconut. All right, here we go. All right. We're going to work it up. We're going to stir it together. All right, while I'm doing this and I'm waiting on the chicken to get done, I want to say we're at Naaman's Catering here. We're doing the curbside service pickup. We certainly can deliver to your office or home. We got our menus out every week. And so you can give us a call at 473-3900. And just thank you for letting me come into your home. So, all right, here's what we're going to do now. We're going to pull the chicken out. We're going to top it with some bruschetta and go back in the oven for like 5 minutes. All right, we're going to top it. All right, wonderful dish, wonderful dish. All right, we're going to slide it back in the oven for 5 minutes. And look what happens with the magic of television. Boom. We come right out with our chicken bruschetta. We'll take and we'll plate this here. Here's my finished product. The chicken bruschetta with some roasted Parmesan potatoes. What a delicious meal. Don't take long at all to make it. As you can see, all of these recipes are 20 minutes or less. So God bless you, and thank you for letting me come into your home today. And remember to call us at 473-3900. That's Naaman's Catering at 473-3900.